Cryptocurrencies are the hottest trend today. Everybody talks about that, how they will be the currency of the future. If you don't buy crypto, you're missing out on so much money. So in this video, I will talk about cryptocurrencies and why you should and shouldn't invest your money on them. Hi there, this is Jaime Shekaiban. Welcome to your channel, The Foreigner in America, where I teach locals and foreigners what to do with their money, investing, the markets, real estate, and everything that has to do with your pockets. So if you're interested in topics like money-wise, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you don't miss any one of my videos. So a cryptocurrency is a type of currency used to buy goods and services, which uses an online ledger with a very strong cryptography into it. And that's where the word crypto comes from. And the value of a crypto is just based on how much someone else is willing to pay for it. They work with a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized technology based on thousands of computers that manage and record your transactions. Right now, there's more than 6,700 cryptocurrencies traded publicly in the markets today. And new ones are coming out every single time with ICOs, initial coin offering, different from IPOs. And the total market value for December 2020 for cryptos is $645 billion. And I can show you in this chart right here, the list of the 20 most important cryptos today, being Bitcoin the largest. So why is cryptocurrency so popular? And everyone wants to put their money into it. They see it as a currency of the future. At least that's what they have been sold into it. And this is not accurate, let me tell you, because for it to be a real currency, it has to be backed up by a government, a central bank, and have a certain degree of stability. And crypto does not have that yet. Other supporters like the idea that they don't have a centralized bank, which means that they cannot control inflation. But let me tell you something about inflation. If you buy things with Bitcoin that are based in US dollars, the US dollar is still inflating. So you will need more crypto to buy the same thing, unless the value of the crypto is super stable and it goes up bigger than inflation, which is not the case. And then people love the blockchain technology. They say it's the strongest and most secure way to make transactions in the world. I can agree, it's pretty secure, but do you think hackers will not be able to hack on that system anytime soon? I mean, I doubt it. And some speculators love cryptocurrencies because they go up in value. That is it. Things are going up in value. People want to get in and get out as quickly as possible. And they have no interest in the currency long acceptance, which is the dollar, which they're saying is getting weak. So should I invest my savings into cryptocurrencies? Yes or no? Let me tell you one thing that Mr. Warren Buffett said about cryptos. And you know he is no idiot. Buying cryptos is like paying money for a blank check. So you have a check for $10,000, I'll sell it to you. You can pay me $9,500 for it. And if you have the check, you can go and find someone else that will give you $12,000 for the check. And the check goes to different people. But the value of the check is only what another person is willing to pay for it. It's not backed up by anything, not by the government, not by a bank. It has pretty much no value. If you compare that to buying a stock of Coca-Cola, for example, you're buying a piece of a company that has assets, employees, EBITDA, produces income, pays dividends to shareholders, and you're actually seeing a high quality product being created and consumed by billions of people in a nice marketing. And in the other hand, if you buy a piece of real estate, you're buying something that has a physical asset and the land underneath. So the value is physically there and it will appreciate over time. You see the difference? So my recommendation is invest money on cryptos only if you're willing to lose it. So let's say that you already invested in real estate, you already invested in stocks, you already invested in pre-tax retirement accounts, you have everything under control, and you got $1,000, $2,000, $10,000 sitting around Instead of going and buying a new iPhone, yes, you can go and get a Bitcoin. But my recommendation is hold it for a long time. Hold it for 5 or 10 years because you never know how valuable those coins could be. And how do you do it? Well, you can use platforms like eToro, Coinbase, TradeStation, Robinhood, etc., which I will link below in the description. Let me give you my foreigner insight for this topic. I personally do not invest in cryptos, and I will not recommend you do it. What I would recommend you do it is do strong investments in real estate, stocks, bonds, and index funds and pre-tax retirement accounts. And as I just said before, if you have money lying around and you don't know what to do with, instead of buying a new iPhone, yes, go and get a Bitcoin, but hold it for a long time. If you're just going in and going out, getting a couple of $100, better go to Vegas, you drink for free, and you multiply your earnings. Take care of your money and acquire assets that will make you rich. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any one of my weekly videos. And until then, I'll see you next time.